In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group nodes in N8n. Whether you're starting your journey with N8n or looking to streamline your workflow, knowing how to organize and manage nodes efficiently is crucial. It not only makes your workspace tidy, but also enhances productivity by allowing you to easily manipulate groups of nodes as a single entity. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official N8n website. If you're unfamiliar with N8n, it's an extendable workflow automation tool that enables you to connect various applications without needing to code. It's a great tool for automating processes and handling repetitive tasks, and you'll want to have access to their platform to start working on grouping nodes. Once you're on the website, the next step is to locate the sign-in option. You should see it fairly prominently on the main page interface. Click on it and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, which is a straightforward process involving just a few steps where you'll provide basic information. But assuming you already have the credentials, sign in to access your workspace. When you're in your workspace and ready to begin grouping, it's time to select the nodes you wish to put together. To do this, click and hold your mouse button, then drag a box around the nodes. This will highlight the nodes you want to include in the group. Make sure that all the necessary nodes are enclosed within this selection box, because these nodes will form your new group. With your nodes selected, the next action is all about a simple press of a key. Just press the C key on your keyboard. This single action will instantly create a comment box that will encompass all the nodes you've selected. It's a visual cue to indicate that your nodes are now grouped, and this box acts as a container, making it easier to manage these nodes collectively. Now, you might want to rename this newly created comment box for clarity and easy identification. To do that, either select the box and press the F2 key on your keyboard, or you can simply click on the existing label directly. Either of these methods will allow you to edit the text to something that reflects the purpose or contents of your grouped nodes. Moreover, you can change the color of your comment box to make it stand out or fit into a color coding scheme you might be using. Click on the comment box, and you'll see options to choose different colors. This customization helps in visually organizing and distinguishing different groups according to your needs. That completes our guide on how to group nodes in N8n. This method not only keeps your workflow organized, but also makes complex processes much simpler to handle. Enjoy creating more efficient systems with grouped nodes and streamline your automation tasks with ease.